Hello, friends. Today we are here to record a very important judgment which is recently pronounced by the Honorable Madras High Court, wherein a disputed issue, I would say not disputed but much discussed issue amongst the professionals and the trade is adjudicated by the Honorable Court. Again, I would not say that it has been settled because this is a judgment of the Honorable Madras High Court single bench. On 24th of June 2021, this judgment was pronounced in case of ARS Steel and Alloy International Private Limited versus State Tax Officer. इम्पॉर्टेंट ये है कि एक क्वेश्चन जो हर ट्रेड वाला, हर इंडस्ट्री आपसे पूछती है और प्रोफेशनल्स आपस में डिस्कस करते हैं कि एक प्रोविज़न है लॉ में सेक्शन 17 सब सेक्शन 5 जो ब्लॉकिंग ऑफ क्रेडिट की बात करता है। और ब्लॉकिंग ऑफ क्रेडिट में काफ़ी सारे इंस्टेंसेस दिए हैं, काफ़ी सारे क्लॉजेस दिए हैं जो क्रेडिट ब्लॉक करने का बात करता है। दैट इन दिस सिचुएशंस द क्रेडिट इनपुट टैक्स क्रेडिट विच इज़ द बैकबोन ऑफ जीएसटी will not be allowed to you. Now, one of those sub clauses of section 17 subsection 5 is clause H. Clause H says you will not be allowed to take credit irrespective of the fact that you have satisfied all the conditions specified in section 16. Then also you will not be able to claim the credit or avail the credit. And section 17 subsection 5 clause H says goods lost, stolen, destroyed, written off or disposed of by way of gift or free samples. Now this judgment which I am referring as adjudicated by the Honorable Madras High Court in writ petition number 2885 of 2020 on 24th June 2021 is a judgment which डील्स विद दिस एस्पेक्ट कि गुड्स लॉस्ट कब कहा जाएगा, गुड्स डिस्ट्रॉयड कब कहा जाएगा। तो इस सिचुएशन में मैं थोड़ा सा आपको फैक्ट्स नरेट करता हूँ एंड देन आई विल कम टू द डिसीजन ऑफ दिस कोर्ट। फैक्ट्स कुछ ऐसे हैं कि ये एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस में एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है। ड्यूरिंग द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस जब वो इनपुट्स को यूज करते हैं तो उसके अंदर कुछ डैमेजेस हो जाते हैं या कुछ लॉस्ट हो जाते हैं during the manufacturing process. Please bear this in mind. Now when this is being lost तो डिपार्टमेंट कंटेंट करता है कि साहब 17(5)H बोलता है कि अगर आपने 100 इनपुट लगाए तो 100 आउटपुट होने चाहिए, 98 नहीं हो सकते। अगर 98 हुए तो जो 2 इनपुट्स का लॉस हुआ उसके एट्रीब्यूटेबल क्रेडिट को आपको रिवर्स करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज दैट क्रेडिट इज नॉट allowable to you. That is what is the contention of the department. So this matter went to the Honorable Court, wherein this order which was asking for the reversal of such credits was challenged, and the Honorable Court says कि नहीं, you will have to please read this and try to understand that if it is a process of manufacturing and in the normal process of manufacturing that loss happens, it is a process loss and therefore no need for reversal of any credits. And this was what we have also taken as a call जब भी पिछले 4 साल में ये क्वेश्चंस अराइज होते थे। So we have given ample of opinions wherein we have also kept this aspect in mind कि अगर आपका normal process loss है then it will not be deemed to be a loss which is being covered or referred in clause H of section 17(5) and therefore credit reversal is not required। इस ऑनरेबल कोर्ट ने पैरा नंबर 12 में एक जजमेंट भी स्पेसिफाई किया है विच इज रूपा एंड कंपनी लिमिटेड वर्सेस 68 चेन्नई। दिस वाज अ डिवीजन बेंच जजमेंट wherein again a detailed question of law decided a question of law pertaining to the entitlement of Senvet credit involving the measure of inputs used in the manufacturing process. So same kind of judgment is being now again given by this honorable court। पहले भी ये हो चुका है और आगे भी इस कोर्ट ने यही बोला that whatever we have discussed, one thing is very clear कि ये जो लॉस है ये मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का लॉस है. जब आप मैन्युफैक्चर प्रोसेस में कोई एक रॉ मटेरियल को इनपुट करते हैं तो देर आर चांसेस एट टाइम्स देर इज अ गेन, लाइक इन क्लॉथ there is a gain in weight in yarn. At times there is a loss, but if it is a normal production manufacturing loss which is there prevalent in that particular industry, so that loss will not be covered in 17.5H. 17.5H उन लॉसेस को कवर करता है जहाँ पे आपकी लेट से चोरी हो गई कोई गुड्स, उस पर आपने कोई क्रेडिट लिया है तो वो आपका डिसअलाउ होगा. आपका गुम हो गया, आपसे कहीं गिर गया, दैट इज गुड्स लॉस्ट विच दे आर सेइंग. एंड सो फार एज डिस्ट्रक्शन इज कंसर्न, डिस्ट्रक्शन मीन्स आग लग गई, खराब हो गया, डैमेज हो गया, दैट इज ऑल डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑल अबाउट विच इज टू बी अंडरस्टूड सो फार एज 17.5 इज कंसर्न. बट प्रोसेस के अंदर अगर कोई लॉस हुआ दैट विल नॉट बी फॉलोइंग विद इन 17.5H. दैट इज द ओपिनियन ऑफ दिस ऑनरेबल कोर्ट एंड राइटली सो, because this is what is in the interest of the business also, because we are helpless, we cannot do anything if something is there as a business loss or a normal manufacturing loss. So the honorable court in 15 number para number 15 said that the reversal of ITC involving 17.5H by the revenue in case of loss by consumption of input which is inherent to manufacturing loss is misconceived. Now this is very important line. It says which is inherent to manufacturing loss is misconceived. As such, loss is not contemplated or covered by the situations adumbrated under section 17.5 clause H. So therefore court is very clear, the honorable court in this writ petition of ARS Steel and Alloys India International Private Limited is very clear that if it is something which is inherent in the manufacturing process, if that loss is not because of some other reason but because of the process which is being undertaken and the product which is being developed or manufactured, अगर वो है business normal loss है, so it will not be falling within the purview of 17.5H, and therefore there is no need for reversal of any credit. And therefore the orders which were challenged in this writ petition number, the lead petition was 2885 of 2020. Honorable Madras High Court single bench judgment, court was very clear and categorical that the credit should not be reversed, and all the orders which were asking for the reversal of the credits in such situations, the court set aside those orders and said that 17.5H will not be applicable in those cases wherein the inherent loss is happening for a manufacturing process or under a manufacturing process. So friends, this I thought is a wonderful judgment, because एक क्वेश्चन जो बहुत रेगुलरली अराइज होता था उस क्वेश्चन को कहीं ना कहीं बहुत अच्छे से एड्रेस किया है इस ऑनरेबल कोर्ट में, इस जजमेंट में. सो देयरफॉर आई होप that this judgment is going to be useful to each one of you. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.